quickly make some fresh buttermilk biscuits. We start 2 cups of flour, just like that. 1 tablespoon baking powder. There you go. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of baking soda. And this 1/3 of a cup of butter, all cut up. This is unsalted butter. Then we just want to sort of mix it in here. I'm using a pastry blender. You can use a couple of forks. It'll work the same. Now we use unsalted butter because it has less water in it. It's going to make much flakier biscuits because of that. And that is, we're about done here. This doesn't take very long. Mix it in. You don't have to make it tiny little pieces of butter, but they should be pretty well distributed. Okay, there we go. That's about it. Now, about a cup of buttermilk. I say about, it's really about a cup and maybe 2 tablespoons. I'll add a little less than that and we'll see how much we need. Mix it up with a fork so it all pulls together. Add a little bit more of that buttermilk. And the rest. Stir it up. Now this is the batter right here. You don't have to do too much to it. You don't have to roll it out or anything. Just put it here on the pastry board. I'm going to fold it a couple of times, like folding a letter in thirds. Pat it down. Fold it over again. Pat it down. Fold it over again. Pat it down. Maybe just a little flour so this doesn't stick. Fold it one more time at least. And pat it in place. This is your batter. That's all there is to it. Now all I have to do is cut it out. And here we go. They say you should cut the biscuits without twisting the biscuit cutter. That may be a superstition, but try. This will make probably at least 8. It may make a little more. We'll pull this together. Okay, there we have it, all set. And now, here's our oven. Open the oven, put in the biscuits. And that's all there is to it. Set a timer to 10 minutes. And there we go. See you in 10. Okay, they're done now. And here we have these beautiful, beautiful layered buttermilk biscuits. You can't do better than these. Look at that. Aren't they great? Let's have dinner.